Storm or no storm, Albatross Airlines at your service.
Passengers are requested to please fasten their seatbelts and secure all carry-ons. We'll be departing following our standard pre-flight maintenance. Thank you.
Yeah, loosen it up, get the blood flowing up to the head. And a couple of these. Oh, okay, one's enough. There we go. Oh, yeah, that feels better. Oh, baby. Tie your kangaroos down, sports fans. Here we come. Yeah, let's go for it. Whoa, hey, whoa. Hey, I didn't adjust for the winch. All right, we're going to make it. I just had to duck down a little lower, that's all. Go under the wind, go under it. Here we go. Ow, this is cold. Hey, slippery. Ice. We got ice. Oh, hang on now. Whoa. Here we go.